What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super awesome and healthy chicken salad right after this. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA. This episode is sponsored by milkandeggs.com. If you're in the LA area, check them out for farm fresh fruits, veggies, meats, and more. Alright, so we're deep in the middle of pool season right now, and I don't know about you, but I am getting sick and tired of eating boring old boneless, skinless chicken breast. So one really easy way to spice that up and give it a lot more flavor is to put it into a chicken salad. So here in a steamer, I have two 6-ounce chicken breasts, and I've been steaming them over medium-high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these out, and I'm gonna put them in a bowl. I'm gonna start shredding them as thin as I can. All right, so once this is all shredded, we're gonna pop this in the fridge just to get a little bit of the heat off while we work on our dressing and chop up some of our vegetables. All right, so our vegetables are all chopped up, and I've pulled our chicken out of the fridge. We just wanted to get a little bit of that heat off so we can put it in our salad without it heating everything else up. So in a large bowl, I'm gonna add our chicken, and you're more than welcome to use rotisserie chicken in this recipe as well. That works great. And to that, I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup each of diced green Granny Smith apple and celery, along with 2 sweet gherkin pickles, minced, 1 teaspoon of minced serrano or jalapeno pepper, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, an equal amount of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of any kind of sweetened roasted nut. I'm gonna use honey roasted pecans in this recipe. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We don't want to add fresh garlic to this because it's going to maybe make it a little bit too bitter and strong. Garlic powder is just mellow enough for this recipe. And about a teaspoon of salt. Once everything's in the bowl, we're just going to mix everything together. All right, so once everything's mixed together, we're going to add a little bit of finishing parsley, give it one more mix, and then pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes before we get to dig in. So our chicken salad has been chilling in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and you want to do it for at least 30 minutes because we want those flavors to really come together. So now my favorite way to eat this is just to put it on a couple slices of rye bread with some butter lettuce. So to make a super healthy and delicious chicken salad, what we did was we steamed our chicken for about 15 to 20 minutes before shredding, and then we popped that into the fridge to chill off while we chopped up all our vegetables. We then mixed everything together in a large bowl and then put our salad back into the fridge for 30 minutes so all the flavors can combine before putting it on some rye bread with some butter lettuce. And there you have an amazing and healthy chicken salad. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future episodes in the comments down below. You can click this button to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos over here. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA.